Today I am going to show you how to create a calculator website using ChatGPT. First open Chrome, then write create a calculator website. Create a calculator website using HTML. Here is an example of basic calculator website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So finally he write after this completion I will check index website to how it's perform. He writes a CSS code for this. So I'll be waiting for that. And he write a JavaScript code for a calculator website. It's take us some time. So I'll check the HTML code for vs index.html and then save a desktop. Then I write the check index. His output of HTML code, and I check CSS code. As style.css. Then I'll refresh again. Oh, some error. I'll import the CSS file. Then I'll refresh it. Here is an example of simple calculator using ChatGPT. I write the JavaScript code. Then I'll refresh again. 8 plus 8 equal to 16. Here is a basic calculator app using HTML, CSS and JavaScript using ChatGPT.